Let's try the most expensive watermelon in the world. And this cost me around $300. This is the Densuke watermelon from Japan. See? Woo! I thought it was going to be super bright red, but it just doesn't look like it's worth $300. Come on. Okay, it's crisp, but the sweetness and the flavor is average. There's nothing that screams $300 watermelon in this watermelon. What a waste. I don't know why everything out of Japan is super expensive. Okay, I give it, their mangoes are really good. That you can actually see the difference, you can taste the difference. This does not warrant a price tag of $300. This is the most expensive watermelon in the world.
Ooh.
Guess how much it is?
मैं खा लूं पहले.
Okay, go eat it.
So sweet. अच्छा.
That's good. But is it any different?
Crunchy है थोड़ा, मोटू है, sweet है. कहाँ से लिए?
Gina Market.
ये तो बहुत ही जबरदस्त है.
I'm not buying it again.
How much? मैं खा लूं पर ज़्यादा तो नहीं?
No, you can go.
कितना?
For a watermelon, it's really good, but it's not worth the price. Taste-wise, texture-wise, I'm giving this a 9.4 out of 10.